How to deactivate Facebook account. If you need a break from Facebook, I'll teach you how to temporarily deactivate your account. First, head to your Facebook, select the hamburger icon. If you scroll down a little further, you'll see the option of Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings, and under the section of Account, you'll see Personal and Account Information. Select the option Account Ownership and Control. Once you get here, you'll see the option of Deactivation and Deletion. So once you select the option of deactivating your account, press on Continue to Account Deactivation. To complete the action, you now need to re-enter your password and hit Continue. So there you have it. That is how you deactivate your Facebook account. If you found this tutorial useful, thank you for watching.